In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a custom automated email in Mailchimp, step by step, so you can create a professional automation that sends the right message to the right audience at the right time. This is perfect if you want to welcome new subscribers, send a follow-up message, or build a simple automated email flow without getting lost in all the menus. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Mailchimp and open your account dashboard. Once you're in, look for the automation section. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of its customer journey and automated email tools. Clicking here takes you into the area where you can build a campaign that runs on its own. Next, click Build from Scratch. This is the option you want when you're creating a completely custom automation instead of using a preset workflow. It gives you full control over the setup, so you can choose exactly how the automation starts and what happens next. Now, Mailchimp will ask you to type a name for your journey or automation. Pick a name that clearly describes what this automation is for. For example, you might name it Welcome Email, New Subscriber Follow-up, or Lead Magnet Delivery. Using a clear name helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to build more automations later. After that, click Choose a Trigger. The trigger is the event that starts the automation. This is one of the most important parts of the entire setup because it tells Mailchimp when to begin sending your custom email. For this tutorial, select Signs Up for Email. This means the automation will start whenever someone joins your email list. That makes it ideal for welcome sequences, onboarding emails, or any message you want new subscribers to receive automatically. If you want Mailchimp to include imported contacts as well, turn on Include Imported Contacts. This is useful if you already have subscribers in your audience and want them to be part of the automation too. If you only want brand new signups, you can leave this off. Choose the option that matches your workflow. Once your trigger is set correctly, click Save Trigger. This locks in the starting point for your automation and takes you to the next stage of building the workflow. Now it's time to choose the action you want in the automation. Since we're creating a custom automated email, select Email. Mailchimp may show a few different action types, but in this case, we want to send a message automatically, so email is the one to use. After that, drag and drop Send Email into your automation journey. This creates the actual email step inside the workflow. At this point, you're building the sequence that Mailchimp will follow once someone triggers the automation. Next, click into the email settings and edit the to and from details. Make sure the sender information looks professional and matches your brand. This is important because people are more likely to open and trust your email when they recognize who it's from. Then, edit the subject line. Your subject line should be clear, relevant, and strong enough to encourage opens. If this is a welcome email, you might use something simple and friendly. If it's a follow-up, make the subject line match the purpose of the message. If you want, you can also edit the schedule. This lets you control when the email is sent after the trigger happens. For example, you may want it to send immediately, after a short delay, or at a specific time. Adjust this based on the kind of experience you want your subscribers to have. Now click, select a template and choose the email template you created for the automation. If you already designed a branded template in Mailchimp, this is where you connect it to the workflow. Using a template saves time and keeps your emails looking consistent. Once you've selected the template, click Apply. Mailchimp will load that design into the automation email so you can start editing the content. Now review the email carefully and make your changes. Update the text, buttons, images, links, and any branding elements so the message matches your goal. Take a moment to check everything before moving forward because this is the version your subscribers will actually receive. When everything looks good, click Save and Return to Journey. This saves your email setup and brings you back to the automation flow where you can see the full journey laid out. At this point, your custom automated email is basically ready, but there's one more thing to know. Mailchimp may ask you to upgrade in order to continue and run the automation. If that happens, review your plan options and upgrade if needed so you can activate the workflow and start sending emails automatically. And that's it. You've now set up a custom automated email in Mailchimp from scratch, chosen your trigger, added an email action, customized the content, and prepared the journey to run. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more Mailchimp tutorials, marketing tips, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.